Securing the bottom lashes. Of course, we all know this one.
Stabilizing twitching eyes. The size and added weight of the gel pad wraps securely around the client's eyes.
Maneuvering eyelids. Gel pads grip well on the eyelids to help move and stretch out the lash line.
Blocking out light. We all know clients who are sensitive to bright lights. Just place a piece of the gel pad over the pupil area.
Cutting into half for multi-use. To be more economical, you can use one gel pad to secure both eyes.
You can use the other half piece for the upper eyelid or wherever you want, for whatever you want.
Lifting for isolation. It's more gentle to readjust compared to using tape.
Cutting for flexibility. Repositioning the gel pad is easier if you create cuts on the gel pad. The larger the cut lines are, the more flexible it becomes.
One size doesn't always fit all. Everyone has different eye contours, so 2 pieces allows for more customization.
Most of us throw the plastic backing of the gel pad away, but it's actually the perfect material for holding adhesive.